I, Guru Ma Satyavati, from Satyavati Kuti, Sahibabad, NCR, Delhi, will preach to you all today on subject four ways of life, जीवन के चार प्रकार. Once there was a king. He asked his minister to look out for person. Firstly, who spends his life for the sake of happiness in this life, but does not care for the happiness in next life. Secondly, who spends his life for the sake of happiness in his next life, but does not care for this life. Thirdly, who spends his life for the sake of happiness in this life and also care for his next life. Fourthly, who spends his life neither for the sake of happiness in this life nor cares for his next life. The minister was a very intelligent person. He went out to look out these four persons. Firstly, he met a prostitute and requested her to come along with him to the king's court. Secondly, he met a saint and requested him to come along with him to king's court. Thirdly, met a rich man and requested him to come along with him to the king's court. Fourthly, he met a beggar and requested him to come along with him to king's court. Now he reached to take on the four persons to the king's court and stood for the kings. वह चारों को लेकर राजा के दरबार में पहुंचा और राजा के सामने जाकर खड़ा हो गया. And said, "Here are the four persons, my lord, who spends their respective lives in the four different ways. My lord, here is the prostitute who eats, drinks, and fulfill her desires. She spends her whole life to entertain others and feels proud that she is happy in this life, but she does not care for the happiness in her next life. My lord, here is the saint who spends his whole life in meditation and feels proud that he is able to do that in this life. He is convinced that his happiness will be immortal and he will be having happiness in his next life. My lord, here is the rich man who gets his happiness in this life because he donates his money in this life. As a result of his donation, he will be happy in his next life. My lord, here is the beggar who begs in his whole life. He is neither happy in this life, nor he is happiness his next life. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to ask you to is spending his life the best way? मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ कि इन चारों में सबसे अच्छा जीवन कौन बिता रहा था? Is she the prostitute? Is he the saint? Is he the rich man? Is he the beggar? In my opinion, saint is the person who is spending his life in the best way. Certainly, निश्चय से not the rich man or the prostitute or the beggar. The saint is getting the spiritual happiness and peace. The rich man spends his life second best way because he is involved in materialistic world and least regard for the spiritual happiness.